is Jasmine and welcome back to ImJustTechnical, the channel where I teach you all things geared around YouTube and Twitch. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Lurk command using StreamElements. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, then keep watching. Go to StreamElements.com and log in with your Twitch account. And once you've done that, it should have you or take you to your dashboard. Once you're there, you want to come over here and if this is closed like this, then you want to click chatbot, and then you want to go to chat commands. Once you're here, you want to go to the top and click on custom commands. As you guys can see, I already have a Lurk command, so I'm just going to delete that. And then you're going to click on add new command. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a screen like this. I just like to keep it simple, so I'm just going to type in Lurk. And that'll be what my chat will type into the chat if they want to use this command. User level, we're going to use it on everybody. That way, whether it's people that subscribed, moderators, everybody can use it. And for the response, I'm just going to type backup. You want to make sure that you type this in. $, parentheses, to user, close parentheses, and then you can finish the rest of your message. But this part right here, you want to make sure that you have this, because this is going to include the person's username that uses this command in the chat, if that makes sense. So backup, blankety blank is about to lurk. I like that. So once you've got your message how you want it, then you can hit activate command. And just in case, I'll have this specific part down in the description box, just in case you need to see it. Activate command, and as you can see, it's activated. You want to make sure that it's enabled. If this white dot is over to the right hand side like it is now, then that means it's enabled. And if it looks like this, then that means that it's disabled. So you want to make sure that it's enabled so you can use it. And so now we're going to test this out and make sure that it works. So I'm going to head over to my Twitch chat. So I will see y'all there. So I'm at my Twitch chat. If you're curious about how to get there, then you just go to twitch.tv. Make sure that you're logged in. You're going to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. You're going to click on channel. And, oh, my channel trailer. Sorry. And then you want to click on chat, and it'll bring you here. And also, just in case, you want to make sure that you make StreamElements a mod for your channel, just to ensure that this command will work. If you don't have StreamElements as a mod for your channel, then all you have to do is go into this chat and type /mod space the name of the person that you want to mod. And so for this case, it's StreamElements. Hit enter. StreamElements is already a moderator of this channel, but if you don't have them modded, then it's going to tell you that StreamElements is now a moderator for your channel. And so now I'm going to just type in the command that we just created, !Lurk, and enter. And as you guys can see, it says backup, ImJustJazzmine is about to lurk. So we have a Lurk command, just that easy. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any other questions or tutorials that you would like to see in the future, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to hit that up and check that out. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.